Okay, let's start with a question that might blow your mind. What if I told you that eating your veggies raw isn't always the healthiest move? Yeah, I know. This contradicts everything we've been taught about clean eating and crunching on carrots like rabbits. But here's the twist. Some vegetables actually need heat to unlock their full nutritional potential. And no, this isn't some pseudoscientific fluff. It's backed by real chemistry. So, if you've ever felt guilty about not eating your greens au naturel, this video might be your redemption arc. Let's dive into 5 veggies that slap harder when cooked, and why your blender's raw smoothie hype might be overblown. First up, asparagus. Now, I'll admit, I used to eat this steamed and sad, thinking I was doing my body a favor. But the real magic happens when you cook it. See, asparagus has these stubborn cell walls that act like a vault for antioxidants. Chlorogenic acid, one of its star players, stays locked up tight until heat breaks those walls down. And here's where it gets even cooler. Pairing it with a fat like olive oil isn't just tasty, it's strategic. That soluble vitamins E and K? They're basically antisocial unless they've got a lipid buddy to hang with. So, when you drizzle that oil, you're not just adding flavor, you're building a highway for nutrient absorption. But wait, don't go nuking your spears for an hour. Gentle steaming or a quick sauté is the sweet spot. Overcook it, and you're left with a soggy metaphor for poor life choices. Next, carrots. Let's talk beta-carotene. This pigment isn't just why carrots look like little orange torches. It's a vitamin A factory once it hits your gut. But raw carrots? They're like a locked treasure chest. One study found that stir-fried carrots throw open the vault, making 75% of their beta-carotene available, versus a measly 11% raw. Why? Heat softens the veggie's structure, and beta-carotene, being a fat-soluble diva, demands some oil to shine. But here's what most people miss. This isn't just about vitamin A. We're talking vision, immunity, skin health. It's a whole ecosystem. Yet, how many of us scarf down raw baby carrots thinking we're nailing our nutrients? Not that simple, folks. Context matters. Fat matters. Timing matters. Life's complicated, even for carrots. Tomatoes are next, and this one's a paradox. Raw tomatoes are juicy, refreshing, and packed with vitamin C. But cook them? You kiss that C goodbye, yet gain something more profound, lycopene. This antioxidant becomes more concentrated when tomatoes heat up, and it's linked to heart health and slower aging. But here's the kicker, oxalic acid, which can contribute to kidney stones, drops when cooked. So, if you're in a high-risk group, simmering your sauce might be smarter than chomping on a cold caprese salad. But wait, doesn't cooking kill nutrients? Not here. It's a trade-off, losing some, gaining others. And isn't that life's favorite game? Sacrifice one thing to elevate another. Even food science can't escape the universe's favorite theme, balance. Mushrooms. Oh, mushrooms. These fungi are already weird enough, but cooking them isn't about convenience, it's about power-ups. One study saw flavonoid antioxidants skyrocket by 811% after 15 minutes of heat. 811%. That's not a gain. That's a revolution. But here's the trap. Cook them too long, and you undo the magic. It's like the Goldilocks principle. Steam or microwave just right, and you've got a nutrient explosion. Go full boil, and you're left with a sad, soggy shadow. And honestly, this mirrors so many modern health trends. We swing too far in one direction, raw, then forget that evolution didn't design our food to be processed 0 times. Mushrooms are proof that sometimes, a little intervention is the ultimate hack. Finally, spinach. Yes, Popeye's favorite muscle fuel. But here's the plot twist. Cooked spinach doesn't just retain minerals like iron and calcium, it enhances them. Oxalates, which bind these minerals, get neutralized by heat. So, your body absorbs more of the good stuff. But again, vitamin C takes a hit. This is the recurring theme, isn't it? Cooking isn't a magic wand, it's a scalpel. You gain some, you lose some. And maybe that's the deeper truth about nutrition. There's no perfect. Just context. Just choices. Just the reality that healthy isn't a checkbox. It's a spectrum. So where does this leave us? The takeaway isn't cook everything or throw out your salad spinner. It's about intentionality. Gentle methods, steaming, quick sautéing, are your allies. And honestly, this whole debate mirrors how we approach life. Sometimes, you need to apply pressure to unlock potential. Sometimes, you need to let go of rigid rules to find what actually works. So next time you're staring at a raw veggie platter, remember, the healthiest plate isn't the rawest one. It's the one where you've thought critically, applied a little heat, and maybe drizzled some olive oil because, let's be real, it makes everything better. What's your take? Are you team raw, team cooked, or team it depends? Drop your thoughts below, and if this made you rethink your stir-fry game, smash that like button. Stay curious, stay hungry, and maybe, just maybe, let your veggies sweat a little.